Hey everybody, I'm Fleming. This is my first video. Welcome. I'm glad you could join me. If you want to see more videos in the future, subscribe. It's right down below. You all know the drill. But this is my first video and it's really not what I expected it to be. I was going to begin a writing series for romance writers because that's what I am. Sorry, I'm not a gamer or anything like that. You're not going to find me in any of your games. But you will be seeing me on YouTube. And I want to help people. That's my channel. That's what I'm all about. I will be helping newbies begin their YouTube channels, try and help answer questions. And these will be shorts. My problem this is my rant. This is my problem when I started YouTube. All I wanted was a character, just a little animated character. And the first place I started was apps. I thought, okay, there's apps that will cartoonize me. Cartoonize? Is that a word? Anyway, there's apps out there that will turn you into a cartoon character. So I thought, surely there's an app out there that will create videos with my cartoon character. That was my first delving into my YouTubing program. I wasted 3 or 4 days looking through apps, scrolling, and I found so many apps. That wasn't working. I was so frustrated. The best one I found was it gave me 15 seconds to make my video. And as you all know, us YouTubers, we love to talk. So that didn't work. So I started researching on YouTube. I said, how do I make a character? And then I'd reword it. Tutorial on making a character. And finally one day an animated anime maybe, I don't know what they're called, showed up on my screen. And I thought, that's it. That's what I want to be. So I clicked on the YouTube channel, and she called herself, I believe, a YouTuber. I forget what she called herself. But anyway, she was animated. Her mouth was speaking. Her hands were moving. She could do all kinds of things. There, I love you guys. See, it's following me. So that's what I wanted. So began another rat trail. First was the apps in my phone. Now it's programs on my computer. And that's what my channel will be about, is how to make this process easier. Because I would find a video that would walk me through the steps. I found Vroid. It walked me through the steps. But there was always something missing. I could not get it connected. The person would not show up. Or if it showed up, she wouldn't move her hands or her mouth. And I was so frustrated. I had to watch a gazillion videos all the way through, hoping that somebody would include that step, but they always left it out. And then finally I found a guy who actually said what that step was. And that's what these videos will be about. Those little steps that other YouTubers are leaving out. So then my videos will be short and sweet. That way you don't have to watch 20 minutes of 20 different videos trying to find the step that everybody's leaving out because you can't get your guy going. So that's what my YouTube channel is going to be about, at least for a while. Once I get it all out of my system and I think I've answered everybody's questions, then I will go on and become the romance writer that I am, helping answer questions for newbie romance writers. But until then, here I am in your world, helping you get started on your animated journey with YouTube. Please subscribe. I'm going to put videos out as often as possible. I can't set a date yet, but I'm hoping to put 2 or 3 out a week once I get this down pat and figure it out, because that's the whole name of the game, is figuring it out. Once I get it figured out, then I will be putting videos up regularly. So subscribe down below. I'm going to get my first video out here in the next couple of days, possibly today. So looking forward to seeing you next time. Give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions, any little shorts you would love me to take care of for you to help others, include it in the comments. See you later. Love you guys. This is Ari Fleming out.